Hello and welcome to today's class. We're going to start in your seated position. You might have the legs staggered or traditionally cross-legged. And we'll begin to take a gentle little lean, a bit of a circle spiral. And ensuring you pause and go in the opposite direction. And eventually we'll begin to lean our way with that right hand off to the side. Left hand coming into our lap. And we can stay maybe taking the arm up and then over. Taking a gentle rock or pulse here. Letting that left hand come down, right hand onto the lap, or again, sweeping the arm up, going over to the side. Beautiful. Right hand beginning to come down towards the earth. We'll sweep both arms up overhead. YMCA hovering, maybe a high five. When we reach your highest point, we'll begin to cactus. Arms swing to rise. Half cactus with that left arm. Arm rising. Cactus on the other side. Right hand rising. We'll circle feather the hands all the way down. As when the hands hit the lap, taking that circle spiral. We'll begin to bring our hands behind us, legs going out in front. And then we'll begin to invite that left knee back in towards the body. We can stay here, knee in towards the armpit. Might take the foot across. We're leaning over, taking that right heel towards our left sit bone. Right palm or inner elbow, hugging that left knee. And beginning to release the twist. And we'll take a cradling the baby. Right hand grabbing our left foot. Hand to the knee. And we'll lean back so much so that that right foot comes all the way out. And then we'll begin to bend the knee, taking a figure of four. Bring the ankle onto the thigh, hands coming behind us. And taking a little bit of a rock and roll here. Lifting that right foot, sliding it down. We're going to begin to fold over this right leg. Now your left ankle can stay on the thigh, or it might make its way onto the earth. Lifting the torso up, hands going behind us. We'll begin to take that left leg all the way out. Bending the knees, soles of the feet to the earth, staying as we are, beginning to lift. Sit bones coming all the way down. I'll begin to straighten that left leg, right knee coming in. We can stay 1, 2, maybe we lean over towards that left side, taking your twist. Right palm, inner elbow, beginning to twist. And casually beginning to release our twist, hands coming onto that right foot, cradling the baby. We'll begin to lean back, taking your left leg all the way out. Then we'll take our figure of four, ankle coming onto the thigh, hands coming behind us. Begin to come onto the sole of that left foot, taking a little bit of a rock here. Lifting the left toes, beginning to straighten that left leg. We'll fold. Lifting, casually beginning to straighten that right leg, edge of the heel, soles of the feet. Staying here, beginning to come into your reverse table. Sit bones coming all the way down, and we'll begin to come into butterfly. Soles of the feet coming towards each other, readjusting the sit bones. And we'll take a little bit of a circle here. Now, if you like, there's two options. You could begin to fold over your butterfly legs, or coming into what I call baby dragonfly. So hands coming into that space, one hand coming underneath the calf, and then the other. Imagine the elbows coming closer to the knees. We'll eventually begin to lift our torso up, hands coming underneath the knees, and we'll begin to tuck and round. Shoulders coming back over the sit bones, and casually coming back through to your comfortable seat, taking a gentle circle spiral here. Beginning to bring the hands together at the heart, bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you for taking this very short softness break practice with me. I hope you have an amazing day. If you'd like to check out any of my other classes, check out the link in the description. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon.